friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Welcome to my presentation. Before starting the presentation, introduce about myself. This is me, Mahata Pradenuhan. My nickname is Suhan. I read in class 2. My school name is Learning One Kindergarten Modernazuna. I love my school. Also, I am a current student of Magic Spoken. Magic Spoken is an excellent and smart platform for kids spoken in Bangladesh. Today, my presentation topic is my free time. Okay, let's start. I love my free time. I love to do many funny activities. But in my free time, I really enjoy cycling with my best friend. My best friend's name is Rafi. He has a red color bicycle and also I have a red color bicycle. My bicycle has 4 wheels, but my friend's bicycle has 2 wheels. Every day after Asr prayer, we take our bicycles to our school playground and ride them very carefully. We return to home very carefully before the Maghrib prayer. Thank you so much for hearing to me. I will appear later with new topics. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.